Hey, what's going on? It's Woody Pixel here, and I got an unboxing for you, the Bose QC45s. I just got them, I pre-ordered them, and I'm excited to try them out. And I actually have another video coming in 2 days from now, and that one is going to be a full review why I'm switching to the QC45s from the XM4s, Sony ones, their current flagship. So yeah, go ahead, enjoy the unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. It's a really cool headphone, feels really nice and premium. I'm excited to be using these, and again, in 2 days I got a full review coming out, a comparison between the XM4 and the QC45 and why I switched to the QC45, and I'm keeping them and I'm loving them too. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more of my content, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.